Hi everybody, it's Tim at enginefactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 383 Chevrolet 450 horsepower turnkey package for our customer's 1969 Corvette. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build here. You got the 4-bolt main block, 1-piece rear main seal, double roller timing chain in there, roller lifter camshaft, edelbrock aluminum cylinder heads, American made. You have these real nice Taylor red ignition wires with all the wire markers on there. Engine blocks painted the red, brass freeze plugs. You have these real nice Chevrolet valve covers with a matching air cleaner. Edelbrock aluminum intake here. We have the thermostat housing on there. Thermostat's installed. Quick fuel carburetor, throttle return spring, throttle cable brackets on there. HEI distributor with the special tack drive for the 69 Corvette. We even put this special adapter on there to make it real nice, simple for his tack drive cable to go on. We also have the customer is getting the QuickTime bell housing. I put the center force flywheel in there, billet steel flywheel with the center force clutch in there, throwout bearing, clutch forks all lined, all set, ready to go. High torque mini starters on there, chrome dipstick and tube. We have the high flow fuel pump on there. All the fittings are installed. Gas filter, heavy duty Russell fuel lines, AN fittings going up to the carburetor. PCV ventilation hose on there. Vacuum fittings are all installed for the customer. This is the way you get it when you buy from Engine Factory. Everything is on it, ready to go. Turnkey ready. We have the this is a special pulley kit for the 69 Corvette. Has the low profile crank pulley on there. We have the power steering pump on there, chrome alternator, high flow water pump, AC compressors on there. All the belts are all set, tensions all set, ready to go. Every engine is live run for over 45 minutes. You'll see all the readings: manifold vacuum, oil pressure, cold and hot, water temperature. Timing will be set, carburetor will be all adjusted. Turnkey, ready to go. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Family owned and operated business, been in business over 50 years. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.